Hello everyone. For those that don't know me, my name is Sherman Fredrickson, and I'm the creator of WP Sells Magix. In this short video, I'm going to show you the most used features of WP Sells Magix, and also show you a few examples of our plugin at work. This is going to be an in-depth video that I'm sure you're going to enjoy. Let's start over here, and to the left you see the icon WP Sells Magix. If you click on the small arrow here, you will be presented with a few options. First of all, we will go into the main settings of WP Sells Magix. Okay, first off, on the top here, we have the plugin site, and here is a quick link to our help desk. If you click this, for any issues you're having, this will bring you directly to the most up-to-date help desk area that we have. This will get your questions answered the quickest and most efficiently. Okay? Now down here in the general settings, this first option is to make the download text, it blinks if you want it to. It will bring attention, attracts attention, and gets your visitors to see it, interact with it, and basically click on it. You don't have to have it, it's an option. If you like, which I like to leave it clicked. And here is the text that you can put in, which will blink. It can be anything you want here. It can describe the actual product. It can be a quick tip. It can be a greeting, a goodbye. It can be anything, okay? Basically, I'm sure you get the point here. But this is the text that will blink or not blink by this option. Here we have the option to enable the link on the pages. It will enable the back to the query page, okay? When you first start out with a polar review, you're going to have a first page. When they click on it, they're going to be brought to the second page, and this page can be any page on the internet. But with this option, with our pop-up banner or fancy pop-up, you will have the option to include the query link on the pages after they vote, okay? If not, you don't have to have it, but what it'll do is give a link back to the page so they can investigate other options. This is not mandatory, it's your choice. Alright, now here it includes your shares on the page. This is your social media. Okay, there's Facebook, there's Twitter, there's all that are described. And if you click this, these will show up. If you have it unclicked, they will not. And here we have the type of display that you can use. By default, it uses the fancy box pop-up, which you can use in the center of the pages, or you can use the banner type pop-up, which can be used at the top of the page or the bottom of the page. It's like a banner, and you will see the examples shortly. Okay, this will keep the data after you disable the plugin or deactivate it. It will keep your data saved, so all your polls and your reviews will be left intact, so you can reuse them again or use the different features within them. Okay, and once again, this is where your text will blink or not blink. It appears at the top of your pop-up or your banner, which I'll show you actually right now. Right here, okay? This is the blinking text. This is your query. This will not appear if you have that unchecked. These are your sharing options here. Okay? And you can change this color, you can change this width, and so on. This is your example of a fancy pop-up. The banner type comes up here and it goes to the top or the bottom. I'm sure you all realize what a banner type pop-up is, which I'm sure there will be an example later on. For now, let's get back to this. Okay, here is your background color for your pop-up or your banner. You can choose any color you want. This is absolutely customizable to match the color of your blog, the color of the page you're sending them to. It's totally up to you, okay? I like to customize it for the individual blog that I'm posting it on. It looks very, very nice, and it runs with the theme, or perhaps the page that you're sending them to. You can grab the color and set it right here, okay? This right here will determine what your text color is within the pop-up or banner. Within your WP Sales Magic message, this will be the text color. This determines your width on the fancy pop-up. You can have this anywhere that you want it. It can be large, it can be small. Right now, at default, it's set at 1200. And here we have the email width and height of your pop-up box. This is your sharing option on the actual pop-up, which is an email option. Okay, this is where it gets real nice, guys. This is set this way so you can show any form in any autoresponder that you want. You can custom or create and use any HTML in here for your custom form. That's why this is here. If you choose not to use a custom form, if you don't have one, you don't want to put this list into one, you want to use this itself as an autoresponder email collector, that's fine. Then you just leave this default and you leave this all default. This will collect the emails into the back end of your plugin, and it will be saved under the data tab. Okay, if you click here, all the emails collected will show up right here. It will have their name, their email, and the date of action that they signed up. You can also add any like Aweber's HTML, iContact, any of the larger autoresponders. Actually, almost all of them have HTML code now that you can insert in here, and you can customize your forms that way very easily too. So we've made it real convenient and easy for you guys here. And I wanted to show you here, right here. Right here is your email box, okay? This, if you click on this, this is the default email collector, okay? If you add in your other code, it can show a customized one, but it has your, please enter your full name, which pops up beside you here, and please enter your email address. Once they enter that and push submit, all that will be saved in your backend automatically, and it can also be downloaded conveniently with a .csv. All these create backlinks, guys. And also, the +1 feature is huge. This is going to revolutionize the way we use the internet, believe it or not. Google is king when it comes to this, and believe me, it's going to be implemented hard. So this is great. We've got Dig, we've got Reddit, we've got StumbleUpon, we've got Twitter, and we've got Facebook. All of these are custom ability to add what you want in these nice little links that you're going to create, and it also create viral traffic on demand. People are going to love this thing. You aren't doing this pop-up or these banners over your own pages if you don't want to. You send them to any page on the internet, guys. Powerful stuff. Powerful, powerful stuff. Back to our plugin. Okay, that is all of our options here. And now I'm going to take you into some actual real live demonstrations. If you click over here on the Add New or Edit, you will be given the choice to add a brand new poll or review right here. You can choose to do a poll or a review. If you choose review, you will then be given the option to include a crown as your representation for the 1 through 5 rating system, a star, diamonds, or smileys. And believe me, they all come in handy for different applications, different sales pages, different feelings in what you're trying to convey. Okay? And here you begin to add your review. You begin with a review title, and you come down here and you're given all these options of adding different pages. These will every answer will be directed to each URL that you enter into here. Okay? For example, I'm going to take you up here and show you the ones that we've already created. Here is a poll. Okay? Here, I've just checked the poll area. I've entered a question. And then down here, I've entered all the details for each answer. Okay? The first answer, I am representing my new Facebook market control software that's coming soon. This is the URL that is the Facebook market control website. It is where the answer will be directed to. This right here is where you enter your free gift, your free information, your email sign-up page, your squeeze page, your information page, your get-to-know-you page, your membership site page, anything you want. Right here, this will be the link of your blinking text or non-blinking text that shows up above your share symbols. Okay? This will be the link that directs them to. Okay? And here is your custom message for your shares on this page. This will be a link, guys. You put any message that you want in here, and it will automatically share that with those people's sharing options when they do it. Okay? These are created already, and we already have 1,806 votes on this one. And this is very powerful stuff here, guys. Down here is the HTML box. This is where you can add any content that you want for the left side content box. I have chosen to put a video in this one. You can put straight text here. You could actually add your HTML sign-up page right here if you wanted to and let them sign up right in this. You could add any image you want. You can add any audio that you want. You can add any information you want. You could add any sales recommendation that you want here. Okay, this is all controlled by this HTML box right here. Okay, you can add any, it's a total what you see is what you get editor, and you have the ability to add anything you want in here at any time that you want. Okay, now let's go over here and take a quick peek at a review setup. Our review setup is done like this. We choose review. We select the image that we would like to use for our review, excuse me. We add our review title. This is which is our favorite top-rated tools. It gives them a chance to be heard. Folks, people love to be heard. You create this, you put it on your Facebook fan page, and you're going to create instant traffic. You create this review, you send it out to your email list, which is right here, and you're going to get fantastic results. You do a guest blog, you get HTML, you can put it on any site at any time. Are you starting to see the power here? Are you starting to see how you can use this for your own use? This is really powerful stuff, guys. And the reason that we have put this created URL, okay? If you do not want to send your customers through the poll or the review process, and you'd like to send them straight to this single page with your custom message, greeting, review, whatever, you can use this for a custom URL to send them directly to that page. Bypass the poll, bypass the review, go directly to the page you want them to see via this created URL. This was a much anticipated feature. I use it often and it works fantastic. Alright, now in both options, a review or a poll, you are given the option to grab simple email templates, okay? And what you do is you come down here, you click on this, and it highlights it all. You simply copy this, okay? You then can take this and you can go to your Aweber account. You can go in here and you can put it directly into a broadcast or a follow-up. Look at this. All you have to do is put it in the source box and it's done. You hit preview, you'll see it. Here is a poll. They're all clickable. They're all rated. They're all ready to go. Here is our review. Any pages you want here. Any review that you want here. It's fantastic, guys. This will go directly to them, like you see here, into your email lists. This is super powerful, guys. You're giving them exactly what they want to click on. You can give them all kinds of different polls, reviews, setups. All right? Here it is. Here it is in my email. I sent a test. You can click here. You can click here. It will take them all to their specific areas. Very powerful stuff here, guys. Very powerful. And here, this is basically the same thing. You click on it. You copy it. And you simply enter it into your Facebook pages. It works great. It's custom sized. It's custom fit. It works perfect. Look at this. It's directly in a Facebook post. You see how great it fits in there? Do you see how great it blends in with the post? You got your stars. You can add any you want. You can add as many as you want. You can add anything here you want. This is going to bring you direct, fast traffic, guys. And plus, it can go viral. Facebook market control. I am using this when I launch that. It's going to create viral traffic for me beyond belief. For the WP Sales Magic, this plugin has created viral traffic on different websites for many people. It's fantastic, guys. And the one last option we have here is to get HTML. This is good for any HTML application, that you want to use it on. You can use it on guest blogs. You can use it on advertisements that accept HTML as the field. It's fantastic. It's great. It works great. It's going to get your word out there. It's going to give people a chance to be heard, which people love. It's going to give you a chance to connect with your visitors and customers. It's going to give them the opportunity to go and see what they want to see. I'm telling you guys, you're going to love this plugin. There's many, 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 many more applications that I'm not even touching on here. Really, your imagination is the boundaries here, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you can find many ways to make lots of money with this plugin and also satisfy your customers' needs, basically, on demand. I'll see you next time, guys. Take care, and God bless.